Students, in this video we are going to see how to log in to getkruu.com and attend your CQ quiz so that you are able to see which are the products that you like and get started with those projects. To do this, you just need to visit www.getkruu.com and click on the login button. Once you click on the login button, it will ask you for your username and password. You can enter the username and password that you received via email, or if you're already having a username from last year, you can continue using that as well. Once you enter your username and password, click on the sign in button, and as soon as you sign in, it will show you this screen where it will ask you to start the creative quotient quiz. You can click on the start button and it will ask you 20 simple questions like what would you like doing and what are the things that interest you. For example, the first question is I like to build things. So if you really like to build or create things, you can click yes. If you do not like building or creating things, you can click no. And if you're unsure about it, you can always click maybe. So you can select your option and click next. So the next question, for example, is I would like to write. So you can give your answer for that. And similarly, you can give answer for all the 20 questions. So please give your honest answers so that you are able to get the right project recommendations from the system. So once you complete answering all the 20 questions, the system will identify what are your interests and what do you want to become. And depending on that, it will recommend you projects to choose for this academic year. So now I am answering the 20th question, and once I click the submit button, the system will recommend me what I like doing, right? So you here, depending on the answers, because I gave random answers, it is giving me multiple suggestions. Otherwise, you will probably end up getting one or two suggestions, right? So this is what it is. And to know more about how this is calculated, you can click here where you will be able to see, based on the answers that you give, how the different fields that are recommended for you, right? And once you close that and scroll down, you will be able to see the projects that are recommended for you by the system. So depending upon the answers that you gave, you will be able to see what are the projects that are recommended here. For example, in July, CQ is recommending me to take Fostering Global Citizenship through Intercultural Exchanges project, and in September it is asking me to take History in the Future, and in November it is recommending me to take the e-commerce and digital marketing project. If you wish to go ahead with this selection, you can directly click on enroll now, or if you wish to change the selection, you can always change it from the recommended project to another project that is available for you, right? You can make your selections accordingly. And finally, you can click on the enroll button. So once you click the enroll button, it will say you have successfully enrolled in your project, and you can click view my projects to view your projects. So now it takes you back to your regular project page with the respective project assigned. Depending upon the start date of your project, you will be able to click on view details and take your project, right? For example, here for July, it is recommending you the roles of humans in 21st century project. So you can click on it and you will be able to access your project page. So this is how you will take the creative quotient quiz and log into your project. Thank you.